What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
All right, man. What's up, Mark?
What, no kiss?
I'll see you guys later. This place is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And there was cops. Oh, man. This is a 2008.
8? Okay.
Yeah.
4.
A CBR?
Yeah, 1000.
Oh, man.
When I saw that, it was a lot different than mine, you know, with
the front end of it? Yeah.
pretty cool.
I think, yeah, you're 04, and it would have been through 2006. It'd be that body style, and then 2007 through 2012 it changed, and then I believe 2013 and up it changed as well.
Pretty good.
Thanks, man. I mean, this I didn't get it like this. I put the fairings on it and the bars and everything, so yeah. I actually laid it down due to a car cutting me off, so it wrecked my old fairings. I had to fix it up.
I didn't even know they made those crash bars like that.
Yeah, it's Impact Tech. They pretty much, you go on their website and they pretty much make them for any model bike, and they make them custom for the bike. So it takes a little while. It takes a little.
Impact Tech?
Yeah, so I'll tell you here. IMPAK and then Tech at the end of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And they pretty much, yeah, that should be it like that. And they have all kinds of different colors, all kinds of, yep, that's it right there, man. California. They make them for everything. It's kind of cool. Yeah, just in case, man. Yeah, you never know, I'm telling you. They make cages and all kinds of stuff.
I like those because they look good.
It's not too bulky. The cages wrap all the way down. They're real big. I didn't care for that.
You're going to be stuck.
Yeah, exactly. Because this for the most part, there's actually people with the cages that if they go riding on track or anything, the cages will actually scrape the ground because they go down so far, and I didn't want to have to deal with that. That's just, you know.
You ever do track days?
I haven't, man. My buddy goes, and he's been trying to get me to go, and I want to. It's just a little pricey, little expensive. It's worth it, though. It's worth it.
Come out here riding the street, you're just real calm and everything.
Yeah. Have you guys, any of you guys track days or not?
Track days.
Yeah.
I have an 04 600.
Okay, so it's, okay, CBR?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I wish I never sold it.
Oh, man. They're fun.
My 1000.
Okay, yeah. There you go. See, I want a 1000, but I'm so light, I don't think I get the power to the ground. Like, this already tries lifting up on me, so 1000 is just...
600 you can toss around.
Yeah.
A little heavier.
Little bit.
Yeah, takes a little more to lean in to get it.
Yeah.
600 can dip that.
Thanks, man. Yeah. I know, I love the 600, man. They're just perfect for my size, I guess. Really is. But thanks. What's that?
What kind of exhaust you got?
It's just Two Brothers slip-on.
See, that's what I sold my bike with, and he didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
JTI.
Oh, okay. Was it a full exhaust or just a
pipe.
just a slip-on?
Yeah, slip on.
Yeah. I love them. I don't know. They sound good on the CBRs. Yeah.
And until you get on the gas, then they get loud.
Then they start going up there. Yeah. No. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah. This company too. Same thing. I emailed them all the pictures and everything. They actually like custom painted everything for me too. Kind of cool. So they're in the UK, so I got it for cheaper. But yeah, man. It's fun. I wouldn't trade riding for anything, man. I love it. That's cool though. You guys got nice bikes too. What, are those 1300s or what is this? 12s? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, out here I feel like you need that out here, man. The summer, like my old
We're at the end of the bypass. Advise local units. Pennsylvania registration 6513 Hotel. 6531 Hotel. Reason for this pursuit is speed. I'm terminating pursuit because of traffic.
Make it and then get back off. No, she didn't see that. She didn't see that. She didn't see that. Oh shit, she saw that. Okay. I don't want, bro, why did she kill switch me first, bro? What is going on? Ah, she's behind me! Bro, I'm trying to, it feels like I'm running from the cops right now. Bro, I know she's right behind me, but I'm not finna look. I'm like low-key terrified. Behind me! Come on, Chrysler! I'm trying to run away from a bike here! Bro! I don't know where its engines are. Why am I running away from a female? No! Let me pass you, please. There's too many cars. Okay, we put some distance on her. Hold on, bro. Alright, I don't even see her. It's perfect. Now's my chance to hide. Hold on, I need to dip off somewhere. Look at the cows. Where's the turnoff? Where's the turnoff at? Bro, no way she even knows these roads, bro. Hold on. Let me blend in with traffic real quick. I'm trying to hide over here. Okay, let me turn in here. Oh! Why are you going so fast? Oh, this guy I passed earlier, but still. No! Why is she right here? Why is she right here? Bro, I give up, bro. I literally give up. I'm just gonna talk to her, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I don't know what's about to happen. I'm so scared.
Holy shit, what the f were you running from?
You! Damn, bro, how'd you keep up with me? What bike is that?
An R7, it doesn't take much to keep up with. You're not that fast.
Bro, God, you gotta clean your rims. God damn. Do you ever clean your bike?
No, I do. I washed it today, but I washed it today. It's dirty up here. I wrote.
You washed it today. Guys, she washed it today. Look at that scuff mark I just gave it, bro.
Yeah, because I rode.
You missed about 90% of the rim.
No, I rode through dirt. No, it doesn't matter. The second I ride through dirt, it gets dirty again. I give up. I don't give a fuck about it. It doesn't.
It's down that way. I was riding ditches here. Yep.
What's your birthday? All right, boss. Here's yours.
All right, thank you.
What's your last name?
I think you were up 648.
What's your phone number, Tony? Yours, Janie?
7.
Pedersen?
PED.
Okay. What's your first name, bud? What's your middle name, brother? Your birthday?
He's taking the other way home. What the heck he's doing, man? He took the other way home. He took the other way home. He went that way. Oh, God dang it.
What's your phone number, Brandon?
We're gonna get a ticket.
No, we're underage.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.